Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2013 Chevy Silverado. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to take a look at the tires. Good tread there. Just looking for dents, dings, scratches. Do our best to point out anything. The little marks up there in the bed liner. Driver's side looks nice and clean. As we come around to the back, always looking for damage at the tailgate area. Again, looks pretty good. A little bit, some wax or some residue left over there. Overall, truck looks really good on the exterior. Looking at the interior, you do get multiple adjustments for the driver's seat. It's a nice black cloth seating. 115,389 is your current mileage. It does have a nice aftermarket AM/FM CD player. Great big huge display there. A couple power ports. This is the 6-passenger arrangement, so it does have a little extra storage under that center seat. Then all the flooring surface will be black. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seating surfaces there. Everything looks to be in great shape. It is a 60/40 split, so you can flip that up to reveal a little more storage area. Full bed liner. Finishing up on the passenger side, take one more look over the seating surface there. Show you how that seat flips up, and then we'll finish up in the front passenger seat. We did go ahead and put that armrest down. It does have some additional storage in there. And that'll wrap up your Chevy Silverado.